Skipping is great cardio aerobic exercise. Skipping rope helps to tone your calves, tighten your core, build stamina, and improve your lung capacity. Skipping rope alone won't help you to reduce weight loss. Skipping rope can be a part of a diet and exercise routine which boosts your metabolism. How many calories burn in skipping? Surprisingly, skipping ropes can burn 10 calories in a minute and also strengthen your legs, butt, shoulders, belly, and arms. On average, you can burn 200 calories in 10 minute session of each day. It is more effective than brisk walking. Benefits of skipping rope. There are multiple benefits of skipping rope from losing weight to reducing the chances of cancer. Skipping rope is a great calorie burner and improves the cardiovascular system. Number 1. Improves heart health. Skipping rope is the best cardio exercise as it increases the heart rate. This will significantly reduce the risk of heart diseases and stroke. Second, increases concentration. Every cardio exercise will help you to focus on your goal, and skipping is one of them. Skipping rope can calm your body and increase your concentration. 3. Improves coordination. Skipping consistently improves your coordination and stamina. Increases stamina and gets rid of fatigue. By continuous work, you may feel tired or loss of stamina. Skipping can help you to improve your stamina. The more you do skipping regularly, the more your stamina increases. A consistent skipping range practice can help get rid of fatigue. 5. Increases body flexibility. Skipping rope makes your body calm and flexible. Jumping gives great strength to the muscles and relaxes them. That's why it is included in an athlete's workout regime. 6. Boost mental health. Skipping rope in a moderate intensity can reduce anxiety and depression. Exercise can increase blood circulation to your body and brain. 7. Decreases belly fat. It is one of the main obstacles while losing weight, but skipping rope can help you with that. High intensity interval training exercises helps to reduce belly fat without diet and strengthen your abdominal muscles. 8. Strengthening your bones. Skipping rope will give strength to your bones and increase bone density, thus reduces the chances of osteoporosis. 9. Glows your skin. Post workout glow is one of the best glow one can get. Exercises like skipping will always give you a healthy, blushing, and glowing skin. 10. Improves pulmonary function. Skipping ropes improves blood circulation and breathing, which ultimately enhances your lung capacity. Benefits of skipping rope for weight loss. There are numerous ways to lose weight. Skipping rope is one of the effective methods for it. However, skipping rope alone is not enough to lose weight, but also it requires a planned diet, weight loss goals, commitment, and high activity level. You also need to consider some other functions like age, previous illnesses, surgeries before starting exercises, as it may affect your rate of weight loss. If you jump rope for 30 minutes to 1 hour daily, you will lose almost 200 to 300 calories. But beginners can't do it straight for 30 minutes. You may need some time to increase your duration. Skipping rope activates all the muscles of your body. The more you work out, the more calories you burn, losing more weight. As a beginner, you can start with low intensity skipping, and as time passes, you will get control and coordination. Then you can enhance your intensity as you want. The following points should be kept in mind for weight loss while skipping. Skipping can reduce your whole body fat. You can do singles and try in various intensity at whatever time you want. The skipping rope is cheap and doesn't need any expensive equipment. Skipping with a balanced diet in proper routine will reduce your weight loss. Precautions for skipping rope. Warm up at least for 10 minutes before jumping rope. Wear shock absorbing socks to avoid injury. Drink electrolyte water before and after exercise. Prefer to wear comfortable and convenient shoes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.